the work we do alone requires the most mental strength. If you are competitive while no one is watching, when you are exhausted, you don't want to be there. You have a shitty attitude. Eric, you have arrived into the world of a savage. A savage is neither male nor female, nor a barbarian. It's an acquired mindset. You can't wake up a savage. You can't just make the decision to become one. It comes with years of refusing to be mendicant. A savage doesn't need a spark to light the fire. They don't need to smell blood in the water. They don't need to arrive the best self. They just bring it always and regardless of all the extenuating circumstances. The separation of the greatest athletes and the greatest mind is that person who is willing to endure way beyond their talents. I'm not a real competitive person against other people, but in this particular way, whoever this person was in this virtual class allowed me to test myself. I was feeling like shit. It was my mind workout of the day. And that is the exact same shit I was telling myself. That can work for you or against you. But that motherfucker who, when you are running and someone passes you, you try to pick up your pace, not to compete with them, but to test your resolve. But that person who, when you are playing a sport and the person lined up against you is taking your soul, you make them question their own by the effort you put forth. Make no mistake, this is shit, and this shit ain't about winning. It's not even about competition. It's about using everything around you to find more of yourself. It's about the effort. So stay hard, stay strong. Don't be destroyed at all. This world doesn't deserve your exhausted effort. It's really very hard when you see your parents suffer while you are trying to find yourself in a position you seem busy for free, busy for zero, opening shops and hanging on streets all at once, and at the end of the month.
السلام عليكم، ازيكم يا شباب؟ بتكونوا بخير. معكم معاذ